Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2023 Yamaha XT250. This lightweight dual sport just arrived with only 858 miles. Perfect showroom condition, still under factory warranty for another month. This bike is in beautiful shape, really cool graphics, gray and black. Come on by and make your lightweight dual sport dreams come true with this gorgeous electric start fuel injected XT250 for only $51.99. We have finance and we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you for Contra Costa Powersports.